Her question is regarding this bomb blast and bomb mania, you can say, this running in Bangladesh. The word bomb itself is a symbol of fear now in Bangladesh. Everywhere people are scared that any time we can be victim to this. And recently what happened as a result of recent incidents, opposition is blaming the government ruling party. The ruling party is blaming the opposition for the incident. In fact, nobody is so far brought to law. So what is Huzur's advice at such a situation?
I think this mullah is responsible for all this. But during the change in Pakistan, I hope there will be a better change in Bangladesh as well. They have been trying to enter the government through devious ways and means, particularly Jamaat-e-Islami. Once they had tried to enter the politics through Tablighi Jamaat, and they nearly succeeded, but God had, upturned their plans. So in fact, this is what should be written to the government of Bangladesh, and they should understand it. That is the mullah which is responsible for all these bombs, etc. And that is why Ahmadis are specially picked for this. And police, on the other hand, is torturing the Ahmadis and accusing the Ahmadis who are victims and who are not the perpetrators of crime. So I think all Bengalis should write to their government to understand the point. It is Jamaat-e-Islami's, I have no doubt that it's the campaign of bombardment is begun by Jamaat-e-Islami. They are perpetrators of this crime. And in devious ways they want to re-enter the Bangladesh politics, while Bangladesh has stood up as one voice, never to accept Jamaat-e-Islami again, never to let it enter the government in the country. And repeatedly their attempts have been frustrated by the government of Bangladesh and people of Bangladesh. So they should understand this point again, and instead of torturing poor Ahmadis, they should torture, if anybody has to be tortured, the mullah, not the Ahmadis.